Good morning, my lovely kids. Okay, so let's start today's work. Today, you have to identify first sound pictures and you will circle it. And rules are the same. You have to write the date. Your mama will write the date and you will start from the first line. Okay, so let's start from the first picture. Now, what is this? Flower. What is this? Flower. Flower with sound? First sound. So what will we do? Circle it. Then let's go to next picture. What is this? Four. Four with sound? First sound. Four with sound? First sound. What will we do? Circle it. Next picture. What is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. Fish with sound? First sound. What will we do? Circle it. Let's go to next line. Now we will dance and say. Okay, twist and say. What is this? Peas. It is first sound? No. What will we do? Leave. Let's go to next. What is this? Flag. Flag with sound. First sound. What will we do? Circle it. Let's go to the next picture. What is this? Five. Five. Fur. Five. Fur. What will we do? Circle it. Then let's go to next picture. Yummy French fries. French fries with sound. First sound. French fries. Fur. French fries. Fur. What will we do? Circle it. Let's go to next. What is this? Feather. Feather. Feather sound is fur. Fur. Feather sound is fur. What will we do? Circle. Let's go to next. What is this? Nail polish. Is it first sound? No. So what will we do? Leave. Okay. So like this, you have to circle first sound pictures. Okay. And you will do it beautifully. Alright. Bye.